Okay, how to change the front tube of the 08, right? So what you need is a few wrenches like that, okay, and a 4mm Allen key head. Okay, so every maybe 1,000 kilometers, you do need to go through this process of changing out your tires if they're worn out, right? Or if you do get a puncture, right, this is how you would change up. Okay, that's the spacer, this is the nut, right? These are also the spacers that go in between the axle. Right, so first step is to release all the air. Let's use a flat tip. If the power screwdriver is not high torque enough, just do it by hand. Hand is always the best. Right, you get to feel the torque that's needed. You get to exert more torque. Right, and it prevents grounding of the screws. Ta-da! Okay, so there you go. Okay, just remove the tube like that. You know, check for any sign of punctures. Make sure there's no sharp objects in the inner lining of the tube. Do a visual inspection of the outside. Okay, pump up your tube. Find out where the hole is and what the hole, where the source of the puncture is. Okay, so there is like a cavity, right? So make sure that you line the valve with this cavity, right? Because this is where it's going to sit nicely. So when you place the tube, make sure there are no knots, right? Make sure that it's all properly sitting on the tire, inside the tire. Okay, we place the screws. Okay, make sure it's sitting properly by just massaging the tire. And then insert the bearing. Oh, and check if it's spinning properly. Okay. Okay, we place the screw, the nut. Okay. Inflate the tire, so about 40 psi. Right, just give it a pinch, make sure it's firm. That's it. Alright. Right, give it a spin, make sure it's true and not wobbling around. There you go.